What's up, guys? Back with another video here. Today we will be doing the Dirt Devil PowerMax pet vacuuming with a crunch. I hope that it picks up on the microphone. Um, yeah. All right, I'm gonna set the camera down real quick while I untangle the cord. I don't understand how the cord gets all tangled up. Alright. Plug her in. Where's the end at? Oh. Wait, what the heck? Oh my gosh. I'm an idiot. Alright, guys, it's plugged in. So now, make sure my camera's focused right. And it is. Here's the plate. UD70167. Anyways, guys. Yeah, we got so much crap in here. Anyways, guys, that's not going to stop me. Let's do this right now. Hope you guys enjoy. So that does it for the Dirt Devil PowerMax pet vacuuming. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the like button if you did. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you won't miss out a video whenever it goes up. But yeah, that's it. And this will be probably my final upload for a while. Taking a break from these videos here, and yeah, I made a lot of videos. But anyways, you guys can still view my videos at any time. So subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you won't miss out on another video. Comment down below on what you think on the videos that I do. So anyways, that's the end of this video right here, and I'm signing out. So until next time, guys, peace.